Hey guys, it's Jay here. Today's city give me the rarest gift ever. I have a full day with no meeting, no calls, nobody is waiting for me. So it's just Istanbul and me. So let's take some action, man. I just sleep out alone today with some liras in my pocket. And I'm strolling around with no plans. I'll keep my schedule empty for today. Let's see what Kadikoy has for offers as I am strolling around. This area is actually beside the Kadikoy beach, so there's lots of seagulls flying around. I'm always worried that maybe one of the seagull might just fly over and grab my phone or something, so I do hold my phone pretty tightly. It's pretty early in the morning, so you will see that most of the stores here might be closed. They normally will be open late evening to nighttime. The view here is amazing with fresh breath of air. Do mind you that the cold air is really huge at this sector and it's freezing, man, so I better get out of here soon. But I have decided to check out this awesome beach here before I switch places. You know, at Kadikoy, it got its magic. It's Istanbul, but it's a slower version because people are here to relax by the beach like me. I can't really say no to this amazing sea view here. Yep, look at this stunning views. It would definitely be awesome if I have a fishing rod. Well, any of my viewers, do you guys fish here? Maybe you can give me a hint or some tips on how to fish. I didn't really bring any rod. I didn't really try fishing though. It will definitely be on my to-do list in the future. So right now, I find myself wandering through the colorful heartbeat of Kadikoy. As you can see, it's pretty colorful here with lots of different colors along the road. The streets here felt alive. It's small roads, but it's busy roads, humming with conversations. There's lots of different scenes in the air. There's flowers, fruits, and these grilled chestnuts, which totally attracts me. I would really love to grab a small packs. It's always fascinating to see how the locals eat. And right now I'm following through the old railway line outwards. So each step is echoing with the rhythm of this city. So on my right, I'm passing through a whole stretch of coffee stalls. And local would prefer to just sit by the short chair, chilling, having their coffee, staring at the streets blankly. As I kept walking, I found this nostalgic tram. This ancient red piece of history is still moving, is still alive, and it's shocking that people are still using it to travel, which is something really magic about it. I guess it's a way of life, it's history. Now that we have passed by the tram, suddenly the world just erupts. We step into the sea of people with huge crowds alive with motion, sounds and colors. We have reached the marketplace here for admin Kadikoy, where every corner feels like it's bursting with people and vibes. Lots of stores here. As I see, these are like the fish stalls, lots of fish that I really didn't see before, and I would love to try some of these fishes. This is more like a milk store, lots of dairy products. And something to know, right, is that dairy in Istanbul is lactose free. So there is this lactose options that you can go for, which is perfect for people like me that can't really take my dairy. There's lots of spice and herb stores that traders are selling over. And this is something that gives lots of flavors that you will have it when you eat at Istanbul's restaurants. And at this moment, I actually let myself get lost. There's no very clear direction. I'm just randomly following people and following vibes and into all the strange corners that I didn't expect to hit in. And to be honest, I do felt that this is pretty good, you know, because I love to hang out with crowded place. Now that as we stroll by all these restaurants, I'm starting to get hungry. Well, the time is slowly getting to evening time already. As you guys can see from the skies and the clouds, it's getting dark. And I haven't had my dinner yet. But that will probably be for another video of Jay's journey. So yep, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel content, street vibes, and wild food that I try all around the world.